everyone, it's your pal Elaine. I'm here to do an unboxing video for you today. I've never done one of these before, so bear with me. So this is an award. You'll find out what it is when I unbox it. And yeah, I guess let's get right down to it, and then I can talk some more about what it is. I'm cutting towards myself, don't do that. Never cut towards yourself. And there we go. Oh, there's bubble wrap on it too, so you get to watch me unwrap that. That's fun. And just a little bit more plastic. And there we go. So this is my award from Sequential Magazine for favorite artist, and this is really exciting. It's shiny and everything. Like, wow, this is so exciting. I've been nominated for awards before, but I've never actually won anything, and this is all the more amazing when you consider that I didn't actually do a book in 2019. I did color The Burning Black, so I guess that counts, sort of. So yeah, there it is. That's awesome. Again, I don't have a lot of words to talk about this, I guess. words fail me. So yeah, I'll have to find some place to hang that up. And yeah, so thank you again to Sequential Magazine. I think there is a bit of a longer spiel from me in the latest issue of the magazine about this, so you can pick that up from their Gumroad store, either digitally or in a physical form. And yeah, it's a great magazine. You should go and get all the back issues too. And yeah, that's about it, I guess. So thanks to everybody who voted for me, and to whoever nominated me as well. I'm really chuffed, as the British people might say. Yeah.